Hello friends, this is Dr. Ritvi. Welcome to Homoeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, today in this video we are going to study Homoeopathic Mother Tincture Janosia Ashoka. Friends, Janosia Ashoka is one of the most effective homeopathic medicine for all female complaints. It is so effective that this medicine is considered as one of the uterine tonic in our homeopathy. This medicine is indicated in various menstrual abnormalities as well as in other clinical conditions as well. So friends, let's study in detail about the indications and keynotes of this homeopathic mother tincture Janosia Ashoka. But before that, if you are new to our channel and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and select option all so that you will get notified whenever a new video is uploaded from Homoeopathy the Healing Power, as well as like this video and share this video. So let's get started. Janosia Ashoka. Friends, Janosia Ashoka is nothing but the Ashoka tree, which is found more in India. These trees are about 7 to 10 meters in height, and the homeopathic mother tincture is prepared from the bark of this tree. This medicine was proved by Dr. Roy. Friends, the main action of this medicine is specially seen on female reproductive organs. So that is why it is one of the wholesome, a very good medicine for all the complaints related to female reproductive system. Whereas there are other clinical conditions as well, where this medicine acts and where this medicine can also be prescribed. Of course friends, we will look at these clinical conditions in this video as well. So friends, now let's see the indications of Janosia Ashoka from head to toe. What are the important keynotes that we have to keep in our mind to prescribe this medicine? Starting first with the headache. Janosia Ashoka patient suffers from headache and they suffer from congestive type of headache. This headache gets relieved after free menstrual flow. Friends, Janosia Ashoka is also indicated for very weak eyes, for very tired feeling in the eyes which is felt by the patient on very least exertion. It is also indicated for congestive, burning and itching sensation felt in eyes, as well as Janosia is also indicated for styes on upper eyelid. Friends, I would like to clear here one thing, that because this is one of the mother tincture, so these are very acute remedies as well as they can also be prescribed in chronic pathological condition. And so we will see the indications of each and every body parts, because these medicines are not very deep acting just like constitutional medicine. Here the keynotes and key indications are important to keep in our mind. Similarly, friends, let's see the ear symptoms of Janosia. Janosia is indicated for otalgia, that means it is indicated for pain in ears. As well as Janosia is also indicated in those patients who can't hear well because of severe cold. Friends, in cases like profuse watering from nose, in cold coryza, in frequent sneezing, in soreness of nostrils or obstruction of nostrils, loss of smell, or in cases of epistaxis, Janosia acts well. Friends, along with menstrual abnormalities, in Janosia we will see that the lady also suffers from upset stomach. Here the patient may suffer from excessive nausea, sometimes with bilious vomiting. Along with menstrual abnormalities, there may be pain felt by the patient in the epigastrium region. The patient may have a desire to eat food or eats very little food. Along with that, sometimes eructations are also seen. Here the female desires to eat sweet, sour things. The patient drinks here large quantity of water. Sometimes this patient also suffers from obstinate constipation. They may pass stool on every third or fourth day. The patient may also suffer from pain before the stool and soreness felt in the anus. Even Janosia is indicated for blind and bleeding piles with itching and severe stitching-like pains. Friends, Janosia is also indicated for involuntary urination. Especially this involuntary urination is felt by the patient at night, with tenderness is felt in the bladder and pain in the loin region. Friends, as we have introduced this medicine as one of the female remedy itself, but this remedy also acts on male, especially on male reproductive organs. So this medicine, Janosia Ashoka, is also indicated in orchitis, that is in inflammation of testis. Here the patient may suffer from drawing like pain in the spermatic cord. Friends, Janosia is also indicated for cough. Here the patient suffers from hacking cough. Because of this hacking cough, there is difficulty in breathing. Especially this difficulty in breathing is felt by the patient while walking and especially in afternoon. Friends, Janosia is also indicated for heart complaints. The patient here suffers from pain over precordium region, with palpitations are felt which are worse on movement by walking, by bending forward. Tightness feeling is felt by the patient across the chest. Friends, Janosia along with menstrual abnormalities, we will see that this patient also shows symptoms of pain in back or pain in sacrum. These pains are so severe that they radiate towards the abdomen and towards the thighs. Similarly, these females also show weak feeling in the limbs, pain in small joints and shifting type of pains. Along with that, we will also see that these females have numbness sensation felt in the limbs. Janosia Ashoka patients have dreams of fear and traveling. They have very disturbed sleep. Generally, these patients are very good natured and affectionate. This patient have a very typical mental symptoms. The patient feel very exhausted and fatigued, so the lady does not want to do any work. They are generally absent-minded and they take very much time to understand anything, so they are very slow to understand. Sometimes they become very hysterical and impatient and unsatisfied with small things. They have disturbed sleep, insomnia, dreams of traveling and very exaggerated sufferings. Friends, now let's see the very most important part for which the Janosia Ashoka remedy is famous for. So now let's see the female complaints in Janosia Ashoka. Friends, in Janosia Ashoka, the female suffers from headache. The headache is caused due to suppression of menses. Friends, as discussed earlier, this patient have congestive headache and this headache are relieved by the free flow of menstrual blood. Friends, Janosia is indicated in almost all types of menstrual abnormalities. Janosia is indicated for Menorrhagia, for Metrorrhagia, for Amenorrhea, for Scanty menses, for any uterine disorders. In Scanty menses, the menstrual discharge are pale, watery, foul-smelling and blackish in color. Generally, amenorrhea is seen at the puberty. Along with this amenorrhea at puberty, the patient suffers with headache. Along with these symptoms, we will see that the patient suffers with palpitations, hysteria, with loss of appetite. All of these symptoms are relieved by the free flow of menses. When this patient suffers from menorrhagia or metrorrhagia, the free and the long-lasting menses makes this female very weak and anemic. Here, this menorrhagia is seen because of uterine fibroids. Friends, Janosia Ashoka is also indicated for dysmenorrhea. Here, along with the dysmenorrhea, the lady suffers with constipation and burning sensation felt over face and over eyes. Friends, whenever this patient suffers from severe abdominal colicky pain, the menstrual flow stops. And this is the most important keynote symptom of Janosia. Friends, Janosia is also indicated for leukorrhea. Leukorrhea from delayed menses or leukorrhea in place of menses, as well as it is also indicated in infantile leukorrhea. Here the small girls who are suffering from leukorrhea at a very young age suffers from emaciation despite of a regular nourishment. Friends, because of scanty flow, the patient suffers from headache, as well as the patient suffers from severe pain which are felt in the lower parts of abdomen and in the back. Friends, Janosia Ashoka is even indicated in sterility and in menopause. This medicine has a very stimulating effect on endometrium and ovarian tissues. So friends, this is all about Janosia Ashoka. Please leave your valuable feedbacks and any suggestion in the comment section given below. Like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel to meet again. Thank you for watching.